Oh, it's your boy Mo. Today, you will be learning how to lace some white cement fours because you've been lacing them like a goofy, dude. They stay choking my shoes in the store, brother. Let's get it.
Man, gotta keep putting y'all on how to lace shoes because y'all be choking y'all motherfucking shoes and that's over with. You feel me? But yeah, here we go again. I'm gonna keep teaching y'all till y'all get it. We putting it through the first eyelid. Make sure it's flat, blood. No, it's an art. Okay? See me with the white cement fours. You feel me? Okay, so boom. Nice and straight. And in the second eyelid, same type of party. Y'all gonna get this when I'm done with y'all because I'm not gonna have y'all looking crazy out there. Alright? Now we get into the other side. Looking jiggy. Working it. Okay, 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 okay. A little twisted. We gonna get it. We gonna get it right though. Cool. Alright. Now to the third eyelid. Bam. And don't worry, y'all. I mean, I just so happen to do another Jordan 4, but I will be doing lacings to other shoes, alright? So don't worry about it. I got y'all. Alright, man. Loosening it up because we don't want those shoes to feel so tight because it's not like we're playing any sports in them anyway. I'm just wearing these outside to look fly in. Alright. Working it. Working it through. Working it through. Yes, sir. Alright. Y'all always make sure that it's as straight as possible because that, keep those laces flat. It'll look way better. Alright, so I believe now we're on the fourth eyelid. It's the same type of party. I just hate how they choke my shoes when you first get them in the store. That's annoying, bruh. That's so annoying. I mean, they're gonna like kill the shape of the shoe doing that. But I mean, it is what it is. I guess that's just how the factories do it. You feel me? Hey, we getting there now. We getting there, y'all. What's that? That's the fifth eyelid. We almost there. Almost there. Got to do it carefully, y'all, so y'all don't mess up. I mean, I know this is little. It probably seems to y'all that lacing probably doesn't matter, but it does. It really does. Well, at least to me. I mean, I like to, I will notice the difference. You know, I mean, shoes and clothes don't make the person, but, you know, certain details of things, people could kind of tell what type of person you are. And I just like to look nice. Ain't nothing wrong with it, you know. But you know, clothing is clothing is bliss. It's really about what's in your heart and your intentions. But everybody should want to look nice for themselves. That's all I'm saying. You get it. So look, I'm getting towards the end on this side of the shoot. Getting towards the end, twisting it for better more. All right. It's a little twisted. It's good. I'm gonna fix it. All right. We almost to the last little eyelid. Almost there. This is the last one on this side. This side. Let's try to straighten it out. Twist it, bro. Okay, okay. Got it. All right. Working on the other side. Almost there. All right. So now we just trying to straighten it out. One shoe. One shoe. Now we're gonna work on the next shoe. Or the other shoe, my bad. But we ain't gonna take too much time. We just gonna get it done because I don't want to have you sitting here for too long. So there we have it. You hit. Same type of party. Getting there done. Alright. Boom. Boom. I need to take that tag off. But there we have it. White cement T4s. Minty fours, bro. Those look good. These are some of my favorite Jordan 4s. Honestly, that's just in my opinion. But hey, let's see what's going on. Things looking fresh. Gotta be careful with white shoes. It's over with. Feel me, it's over.